Okay, today we're going to do standard 1 objective 3a, but this time it's going to be symbiosis. Maybe you've heard this word, maybe you haven't, I don't know. It's a pretty cool word, I like it. Symbiosis. Nice, like it a lot. It's pretty cool. Do all interactions always result in harm? So, is there always harm? So we go, no, it's not. There is mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism, which we already talked about a little bit in predation. Alright, so what's the difference between these three? What is the difference between these three? Well, we can make a little chart. Alright, and we can say, let's see here, harm, and then no effect, and then we can go help. Alright, so parasitism does harm. Okay, but what does it harm? Parasitism only harms the host. Okay, it only harms host. Okay. The no effect. Why would you have something that has no effect? Well, this is commensalism. Okay, another doesn't harm the host. The host has no benefit from it. Okay, now help. I think this would be the great one that you'd need, would be helpful. This one is mutualism. Working together. This helps both host and, what do you want to call it, prey? Other organism? Other organism. Host and other organism. Alright. Benefits both species. Examples of goby fish and shrimp. Alright. Commensalism is a symbiotic relationship in which one species benefits, other species is not affected. One species typically uses the other for purpose. So let's go mutualism. Let's just define it. Mutualism. Both species benefit. Okay, both species benefit. An example of mutualism. And there's got to be a quicker way, like clear all, but I didn't want to. Example would be goby fish and shrimp. So that means they're both benefited. Next one would be commensalism. Alright, commensalism. One helped, one no benefit. Alright. Get a free ride Mites attach themselves to larger flying insects to get a free ride. Hermit crabs use the shells of dead snails for homes. So one's not harmed while one is affected. Alright, and then everyone's favorite is parasitism. Ew, yuck, yeah, I love it. Parasitism. One benefits, one is harmed in the process. We said this was predation too. So, could predation be a type of symbiosis? Don't know. Good question though. Good question. Some parasites kill their host, but if you want to stay alive, you better not kill your host. Alright? I mean, 'cause that's the only way you stay alive in parasitism, is you have to keep your host alive in order for you to stay alive. So then a summary of this. Symbiosis. Close relationship between two species in which at least one benefits. Alright? Then just basically difference between mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism. Okay. Review questions. Define mutualism and commensalism. Don't need to define parasitism, why not? Good question, why not? Explain why most parasites do not kill their host. Explain why parasites don't kill host. Why is it, excuse me, in their best interest to keep them alive? To keep host alive. Alrighty, that's review. Have a good one. Thanks a lot.